Hey, TGO traders, welcome to Wednesday's market sit rep here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz, the primary and weekly options model portfolio manager here at TGO. And new home sales came out this morning, and a surprising beat. Okay, we're looking for about 406,000. We got 468,000 last month, and the previous month was revised up to 427,000. So a surprising beat, and we're at a 5-year high. But again, folks, caution, warning Will Robinson that this is backward-looking data, right? And it's pretty funny. The same folks who have pounded repeatedly in the past couple of weeks that all of the bad economic data recently has been because of the poor weather in December and January are now a little silent today because new home sales blew the doors off of it, when they should be saying that weather was the problem, that they didn't blow the doors off. So very, very interesting. Along those lines, though, mortgage applications are at a 19 the lowest in 3 months, and home purchases, right? As opposed to seasonally adjusted new home sales, the purchases collapsed to 19-year lows. Okay, so and when I say purchase, I mean a purchase application, right? Down 30% from their May highs, and the biggest lows since 1995. So again, beware of the headline numbers and watching Comedy Central and seeing that, hey, great numbers and a beat. You really have to dig around to find out what's going on underneath this market. And we're kind of seeing what's going on with this market. We're just kind of wallowing around here, up 50 on the Dow, up 5 on the SPOOs. Not necessarily seeing a lot of activity today. Not a lot of conviction. I think after this rip your face off rally on Monday that nobody believed, or at least I didn't believe, and I sold into, I think we're looking for that next reason to go up, that next potential leg up, and I just don't see the main catalyst to do it other than, hey, the Fed's not going anywhere. So as you can see, we've kind of run out of airspeed recently here, and as I've been telling my TGO traders, short-term resistance really has been around this 1850, 1860 line here. So interesting developments in the market. But again, everybody's just kind of standing around looking at the next guy, wondering, why is this market going to go higher? And looking at all the underlying macroeconomic data and saying it should be going lower. So to me, that still tells me that the market doesn't believe the Fed is truly leaving until they truly leave over the summer and the fall, and we wake up to higher interest rates and corporate earnings that just in a word suck, and that could be the potential impetus to the downside here. But again, you got to trade the tape that you're given, and we're just kind of drifting up here. So I think we might be going a little bit higher, but I'm market neutral to cautiously bullish right now, and I'm going to keep our hedges on just in case we see the market finally wake up one day and say, yep, it's time to go down. Quick reminder, though, folks, we are starting Options Weapon School tonight. And real quick, before I talk about that, look at this. The Dow's up 50. The market's S&P's up 5. The VIX is up 2%. So that tells me, this confirms, this is a canary in the coal mine, folks. This confirms VIX up, market up. That means something's up, meaning the market's scratching its chin going, well, we might be drifting higher, but I'm going to grab some protection while we're at it. So very interesting that the market's up and the VIX is up. But as I was going to say, tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, going to be starting our first Options Weapon School training session. If you haven't signed up for Options Weapon School, click on the link in this email, or check your email to get on board, because I think we have like 2 or 3 slots left. If you click on the promo page and it says closed, or it doesn't come up, that means that those 2 or 3 slots were taken, and they might have been taken as I was recording this video. So hopefully I'll see everybody tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, or 2000 military time for you military folks. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with tomorrow's sit rep.